In the heart of Mexico's Silicon Valley stands Plexus Guadalajara campus, a world-class electronic manufacturing hub, helping bring the future of retail to life. Here, at Plexus Advanced Facilities, Simbe's autonomous retail robots are produced with precision, speed, and scale. With nearly 1 million square feet of space, this facility was built to deliver complex systems at volume. Plexus is a $4 billion plus global contract manufacturer with more than 20,000 employees across over 25 sites. Their track records spans healthcare and life sciences, aerospace and defense, and industrial sectors, making them an ideal partner to meet Simbe's growing demand. With this partnership, Simbe has the capacity to ensure technology can scale rapidly to meet the needs of the world's largest retailers. From robust supply chain management to high reliability assembly, Plexus helps us deliver quality at scale, giving our customers the confidence that Simbe can grow with them. Together, we are redefining what scalable retail innovation looks like.